Hi, bro.
Hi, bro.
It's coming.
Can you hear me?
Hello?
Can you hear me?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay, guys, let's start.
Okay, bro.
Hi, guys. Welcome to the podcast of Indian Football Supporters YouTube channel. Today, we are going to preview FC Goa for ISL Season 8. We are not expert. We are just an ordinary Indian football fan. So, we are going to preview FC Goa for upcoming season. Uh, Here with me joining Adi, Rohan, and Rajiv. If you wanted to join me like this, please contact me through Instagram. Okay, guys, let's start preview. Rohan,
Yes, bro.
what you
Yeah,
think Juan Fernando win this ISL season?
yeah. I think Fernando has a really good chance. With the same base and the same squad, almost the same squad. He has Ivan Gonzalez and he has George Otters, and even Edubedia. So yeah, he has a good base, and I believe he's a really trustworthy coach. So yeah, FC Goa might have another good season.
Rajiv, currently George Otis Mendoza was injured. What do you think about it?
Bro?
Currently, Otis Mendoza was injured. What do you think about it?
Uh, I think it is a big negative for FC Goa. Uh,
Rohan, what you think?
Yeah, I think it's a big negative. Because George is the main man up front for FC Goa. Juan Fernando really likes to play him ahead, and he's probably their first choice striker. And yeah, it's a big negative for FC Goa. They like to get him back as soon as possible. They have another forward, Cabrera, I think, Eldrum Cabrera. But yeah, I think George Otis is the main man.
Yes, his performance in AF Champions League is awesome.
Yeah, it was really good.
Currently, um, Glenn Martins was out of form. What do you think about it, Rohan?
Glenn Martins is a really good player. He's a
Yes,
definite starter for FC Goa next season. We've seen him in AFC Champions League. He's really good. Currently, I don't think he's in form, but he might find his form anytime soon. He's a really good player
yes,
and
yes.
expecting him to come back to form soon.
What will be this year's lineup of FC Goa this season, Rajiv? Rajiv, can you hear me? Rohan, you tell.
Yeah, so FC Goa. I'm sure they're going to start up with Dheeraj Singh as the goalkeeper. And their centre backs, it's most probably going to be Ivan Gonzalez and Danny Fox, the new signing. And
Yes.
right back, Sertan Fernandez, and left back, um, I'm not sure what his name is, but he's been doing really good lately. Yeah, Savio Gama. Yeah,
Xavier Gam.
yes, he's going to be the left back. And they're going to go with a three-man midfield. It's probably Glenn Martins, Erbedia, and Brandon Fernandez, along with their forward lineup with George Otters. And probably I'm expecting, Nemil to get a start. He's been doing really good. So I think even Nemil will get a start along with another winger,
Yes,
who
yes.
might be Ridim Tilang or anyone.
When we came to FC Goa's mm, uh, squad, they will give two chances to Indian young players.
Yes,
This
yes.
year, which and young player will get more chances? What do you think?
I'm expecting Nemil to get good chances. He's been doing really good in the Durand Cup. So yes, I think Nemil is the next big thing. He's gonna get a chance. He's
Yes,
gonna prove himself.
yes. I watched in Durand Cup. He scored
Yes.
goal very well, and his ball control was just amazing.
Yeah.
He have future, good future. He can sign for an European club also. He was
Yeah,
trained
he
in
has the capability.
capability. He was currently trained from Spain and came to FC Goa.
Yeah. Surely he'll get good game time. I'm expecting to get good game time, and yes, Juan Fernando likes to, give good chances to youngsters.
Others got disconnected. So
Yeah, no
we
problem.
we too are going to preview.
Yeah, yeah.
It's okay.
Yeah, no props.
Hmm. this year Durand Cup, F- FC Goa chance to win it.
Yes, yes, FC Goa are the big favorites, along with Kerala Blasters as well, who are currently not doing so good, but even they are favorites. But I think FC Goa, most likely, they are going to win the Durand Cup. They're using their main squad and they're really strong currently with Ivan Gonzalez and the other Indian base which they have. It's really good.
I was thinking about sacking Gosti match and making Juan Ferrando as coach of India because he was
Yeah.
playing an attractive football with Indian players.
Yes, I think Stymac really deserves to be sacked. But I'm not sure, but yeah, I think Stymac should be sacked. And coaches like Manolo Marquez, the Hyderabad coach, and Juan Fernando, they deserve a chance. They really do deserve a chance. And I think
Yes.
Juan Fernando has a really good understanding with Indian players, and I think he deserves to be the coach. I'd be really happy if he's the coach.
From FC Goa, which are the players will make to under 23 Indian team?
Under 23, I think Reddy might make it, and Nemil will make it, along with Savio Gama, who also deserves a chance. I think these three are
Yes.
the big names who would make it for under 23.
Oh, yes, yes. What do you think about Princeton Rebello?
The attacking midfielder, he's got potential. I think even he deserves a chance. He's doing really
Yes,
good. He's been good lately.
on last Durand Cup match he scored an goal.
Yeah, he's doing really good. I think even he deserves a chance. He's a good player as well.
Yes, yes. Um, what do you think about the goalkeeper department of FC Goa?
You know,
They only have a good goalkeeper as Dheeraj Singh.
yeah, they have Dheeraj Singh.
Navin Kumar was slightly shaky, and
Yeah.
other one was an young player, new player to FC Goa.
So currently, I think the pressure is on Dheeraj Singh. He's currently very promising. He's a promising young keeper, along with Naveen Kumar, who's quite shaky. But I think Dheeraj Singh will be the first choice. And he's proving why he's the best in AFC Champions League. We've seen him play. He's doing really good. Yeah, I think Dheeraj Singh is really good currently. Pressure's on him, but if he gets
He
injured, FC Goa might be in trouble. But he's doing good currently.
he came to FC Goa from ATK Mohan Bagan. He not got
Yeah,
such chances in ATK Mohan Bagan, and he came to FC Goa
yeah,
and performed well. And in AFC Champions League, his saves are unstoppable.
yes, yes. He's really gonna do good next season. And I think I'm boot as well. Sorry, Golden Glove.
Golden
He
Glove.
stands a good, yeah, he stands a good chance to win it.
You- What do you think this year? Aaron Cabrera became the Golden Boot winner of ISL Season 8.
Cabrera, I mean, it's a risky signing. Cabrera has
Yes,
average stats, and he's not doing good lately. In his previous teams as well. It's a risky signing, but I think FC Goa management has something in their mind. Their management is really good in finding forwards. They found Koro as well, whose stats were bad before, and I think Adrian Cabrera can do good. I think he will do good, and he has a good chance of winning the Golden Boot as well.
interesting fact is FC Goa fans shocked when they got news about FC Goa signed Aaron Cabrera.
Yeah, yeah,
They
even I
think
was
that they
shocked.
will find a good
Yeah,
forward replacing Igor Angulo.
me as well. I was
They
expecting a big name, but yeah, anyways.
they correctly replaced Koro, but Igor Angulo not
Yes, it's doubtful.
big player
Yeah, it's a
to
doubtful
replace.
signing. But I think George Ortiz will be the first main striker, so I think it's not a big problem. But let's
But
see.
currently George Otis
Yeah,
Mendoza was injured.
he's injured. Hope he recovers by ISL, but yeah, we have to
Yes,
see. Not sure.
yes. From Goan leagues, Goa got so many players. What do you think about Goan leagues? Leagues
Goan
in Goa.
leagues, it's really producing some good young talents. Leagues like this, it has to improve all over India, and yeah, it's really good to see the amount of players it's producing. And Goan talent is the next big thing after Kolkata, Kerala, and Northeast.
Yes, currently FC Goa playing to ISL Season 8. Um,
Yes,
Last season they are undefeated in all matches. Last 14 all
yep,
matches. On semi-finals they got defeated by Mumbai City FC by penalties.
yeah,
Undefeated FC Goa will be make a sure comeback this season also.
Yes, yes. I believe Lord Fernando has something in his mind, and yeah, I think they're gonna make a good comeback this season as well. We've seen them. It's really hard when they score goals. They're gonna keep pressing forward. They're gonna keep using possession, and we know their style of play. It's really beautiful, and yeah, I think it's another good season for FC Goa. I think they'll be unbeaten next season as well for a long time.
Yes, yes.
Yeah,
Other friends was not here currently, not in
yeah, I know.
podcast.
Yeah,
Can we finish here?
yeah. Sure, sure,
Yes,
Harish.
please tell what is the position of FC Goa after this season? What will be it?
I think FC Goa will finish in the top four, somewhere around third position or the fourth position. I'm expecting them
Yes,
to finish in top four.
yes, yes. Current their performance on
It's
Turan
really good.
Cup was
Yes.
really good. Last match they got 5 goals against
Yeah.
Jamshedpur FC reserve teams.
Plus, their Indian talent is also really good with Nemil
Yes,
joining the team as well.
yes. We had to watch out the Nemil in ISL season 8.
Yeah, he's one big name to watch out for.
Yes. Okay, guys, video is over.
Yeah.
I
Thank
hope
you, Harish.
you
Yeah.
thank you. I
Thank you.
hope you enjoyed this video. This was the first video of podcast video of Indian Football Supporters YouTube channel. So there is any mistakes in this video, please forgive us. We will try best on next podcast. Please support all. I want your support. If you want to join me like this, please contact me through Instagram. Thanks. Bye.
Thank you,
Bye,
guys.
Rohan.
Bye. See
Bye.
you.
See
Bye.
you.